Hi, Hilda.
Hi.
Welcome home.
Thank you so much.
You made a big move when you migrated to the United
I
States.
did, yes.
What brought about that move, and was it a difficult decision on your part?
It was because I had to leave everything, but my husband worked in California, so I had to go. I had to go, so I had no choice but to go. So I left everything, you know, my career, and you know me, I'm dedicated to working, making it work.
Yeah.
So medyo mahirap. The first 3 years I was crying and crying. Naghuhugas ako ng pinggan, etc. Ano, nasa immigration ako, hindi nila ako bakuhanan ng mga fingerprints kasi na may mga bubbles doon. Sabi ko, you know why? Hindi ako naghuhugas ng pinggan sa Maynila. I told them. So it was so, they were laughing and laughing at me. So it was like an experience talaga na iba. Tapos I was in restaurants and you know, the serving stars. Ito yung mga experiences ko lang na sinishare ko sa inyo. Meron silang mga malalaki yung mga meals nila. So sabihin ng asawa ko, oh, they're gonna give you a box. I said, what am I supposed to do with the box? Because you know, you're sanay sa Manila na they box everything for you. I'm going, what am I supposed to do with it? You're supposed to put it to yourself. Huh? And up to now, I don't even know how to put gas in my car. My husband does it for me. So it was like, oh my God, sa Maynila, I don't even have to go down, you know. So pag kinikwento ko rin yun sa America, they're like shocked also. Like, what? Do you have maids there? It's like, parang may slaves kayo doon? Parang gano'n. No. They're like family to us. They stay with us, you know, forever, like 25 years, 30 years. So it was like a big kind of culture shock for me a little bit. But I was more lonely. Because my children were all, some are here, my grandchildren too, and then some are in New Zealand, one is in Minnesota, one is in Singapore, so kalat-kalat. So it was, I just had my son, I have to have my son, right? So, malungkot na konti, and the Christmas, I used to have TFC, kami mag-asawa, iyak ng iyak every time nakikita namin yung Changgit, the decorations, which I'm seeing now, which I miss sa US, no? Iyak ako ng iyak, tinanggal ko yung TFC ko. I was, nalungkot ako for a while.
Well, what kept you busy? Did you ever think of, did you ever stop or thinking being an actress?
Yeah. For a while, yeah. I mean, may mga ginagawa din ako doon. I go to the mga Filipino, you know, parties, mga community namin ng mga Filipino doon. May mga ano rin naman sila doon. Daming parties. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa party kahit dito. So, okay lang. But mostly talagang I just became a housewife and I really just concentrated on that, and we were together for 30 years before he passed. So I was just like, I wanted to really make it work. And it did. So
curious na po, what's the usual day for you like in the US?
Luluto. And then I'll feed my animals, and then my husband will go to work. They're the typical housewife lang talaga. Maglalaba ako. Hindi naman hand, like washing machine and dryer, and I hate folding clothes and stuff like that. And then of course I have a maid that comes. I hate folding clothes. I mean, madali na yung maglaba ka, pero mag-fold ka ng clothes, like isa-isa yun, nilalagay mo sa mga drawer. Yan mga ginagawa ko, mga normal. Tapos luto ka ng almusal, ng mga punan, pag weekend, umaga, tanghali, gabi. It's talagang full-time talaga ako. And then I have my animals, you know, na busy ako.
Pero nag-try po ba kayo maghanap ng ibang like creative outlet if you
No.
can't act?
No. I mean, I've been at this business since what? 1969? Tagal na, you know? So parang ibang, ano naman yun, ibang phase naman. Parang nagpahinga ako ng konti.
What about adjusting? Kasi you've been away too long.
It was hard more for like the traffic and the pollution. That traffic was just a killer talaga. Sabi ko, direct, 3 oras ako sa kotse, dyan lang ako nanggaling from there to there, you know? Yun lang. Tas yung weather, because when I left California, it was, papunta na kami ng winter.
Yes,
So pagdating mo rito, it's like, that's why I have a cold. Yun, nagpunta ako ng doktor kahapon, pinawisan ako na masyado sa Malacanang. So sabi ko, yun lang, the pollution, tsaka daming motorsiklo. So parang, oh my God, sabi ko gano'n. But the traffic talaga mainly, you know, tsaka the weather is a bit, puti nga it's December, but painit pa rin, tsaka medyo umuulan. I was expecting a really nice weather ng December, but yun lang. Wala namang, I love the people here eh. I love, this is home for me, it will always be home.
And we're so happy to see you back.
I'm happy to be here.